featuring the PA's bum bum. Oh yeah, move it, move it. Hey my loves, happy new month. I know, I look scrappy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, it's your girl, baby. It's your girl. So I'm looking scrappy. I want to go and look forward to make my hair. I said till this heat finish, nothing's going to make me like do a serious hairstyle, and I mean it. So I'm going to look forward to make my hair right now, and do maintenance from body. Sorry, it's not from body. Let's go again. From scrummy to body.
Savings or current?
Savings, please. I cannot afford to.
Not to H3.
Hi guys, it's been 2 weeks since I put down my camera to talk, and it's just because I've been going through it. I've been really going through it, like to the max. Today I didn't go to work because my BP was on the high side. Hi mommy, you're watching this, you don't need to worry, it is stabilizing. But you guys, it's been hell, and I am seeing that I'm slowly not doing the things I love anymore because I'm constantly overwhelmed and always overthinking and going into states of anxiety and shock very easily. And I don't know if there are any tips for it. If you have anything that can help me out, that's really going to be fine. But for now, I couldn't even go to the office because this morning I woke up with raging headaches. It was not it. So now it's still there, but like it's minimal, a little. But yeah, that's what's been going on with me. I was supposed to show you guys when I finished doing my maintenance and all that. I got my nails done. This is like 1 week after I got my nails done. I got my lash done, but I pulled them out because I was tired. I got my hair done, and yes, the rest is history because it's like 1 week and some days after I've done that. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'm taking each day as it goes because even in the each day, wahala is still there. I've been inside all morning. If I stand up, it's like I'm having dizzy spells and all that. But I still am grateful that I'm alive, and since I'm alive, it's good. Hey guys, we're going to go and do our hair. Pray. Let's go and look for where to do our hair. And yeah, straighten our wigs. Bye.
Per 99 problems, but our lashes is not one. Teacher in the PA's bum bum. Oh yeah, move it, move it. You guys, we came to straighten our hair, and if the money is big, we are leaving. We are leaving. We run, cause we are what? Papa, we. Can we pray what we don't have money for? Fish. Guys, we're heading out to the market. You know, that's what's up. Cute. Hi guys, so this girl is taking me to go out even when I don't want to go out. Even when I don't want to go out. Like this girl is taking me out. You have to. I'm not afraid to raise up my camera again. Pose. Okay. One, I think it's here they're doing the card. Sorry, are they getting the BRT card from here? We can buy the card.
Okay, you want to buy?
Yes, we want to.
Go to my partners.
Yeah.
That place.
How much is my We'll cross the other side. Okay. Let's see. Well, I have to get like presets. We have change. Okay. Four, this is the four that we want. No, this one is the one. So 400, have you? Have you? Bad. There was one Ghana I saw that was outside. Was it Ghana? Biscuit and top. Biscuit and. Okay, yeah. It's not going to be my size. Giving small. Run cookie. It's gang shit. It's dead there. That's why you know.
Hey guys, I have been MIA for a very long time, and that's because I've been battling with my health, my physical health most especially. So I think I'm going to give you guys a lowdown on what's been happening behind the scenes and why I've not been really active. And also
I'm going to go and pick my bed frame for it's ready, and so I'm going to go and pick it. Finally, I have a bed frame. I'm tired. Like being an adult is a full-time job. Why do we have to work another one? So yeah, that's basically what I want to do now. Let's go. You guys, I've set up my new bed frame. I'm so happy. Like I'm high up. I'm high up right now. I don't have to be that. I'm high up. So I and my friend planned to go to the beach, and this was me on our way there. And I think the name of the beach was Laguna. Yes, I guess.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Laguna Beach. So here our entry is free. Minimum spend is 5,000 per person. So you buy a voucher card from the beach and then you buy something with your voucher inside. If you exceed your voucher, which is the minimum that you pay at the gate, the balance is free.
You only get to be in your 20s one time, and then it's over. You only get to learn those lessons and meet those people and experience those struggles that one time. And sure, some of them will repeat themselves again and again, lots of one last times that find a way to not actually be the last time. You only get one first apartment, one bout of that very unique kind of loneliness, one chance to raise your bar because it doesn't go back down, one heartbreak that feels like that. Because time has a way of making you feel things in a more grown-up way. It just doesn't hurt as deeply when you're older, does it? Even the way you experience sadness is beautiful in your 20s. It's a hard time when so much has yet to be learned. So many people have yet to be met, when your heart still has so much capacity. Something about being in your 20s is different than when you're not. You notice things like the way the air smells when it's about to rain in the summer, because it brings out a kind of unhappiness that you don't feel anymore. Not that you're necessarily happier now, you're just grown up. Your emotions aren't quite as consequential. You only get to be in your 20s once. And it breaks my heart to realize that, because what a charming time it was. To have nothing figured out and still feel like you have everything in the palm of your hand. To think back and miss the seemingly unending struggle, because it was just so much fun. Nonchalant and exciting. And I can only assume that in 10 years, I'll have these big, deep, sentimental, fiery feelings about being in my 30s, that one and only time that I ever got to be.
So I said I was going to tell you guys about being sick and all. I actually fainted in the office, but I don't want to even bore you guys with this sub story as I'm not feeling fine and not. So at the end of the day, I hope you really do enjoy this beach view, because this was me when I'm fully recovered, and going to the beach just made me relax. There's something about water that just, speaks peace to me. And I hope you enjoy this view as much as I did. Bye. Oh, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now, bye.